Okay. Pagnali. Woo, pagnali. Go, 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 go. Janela is taking a long time. I'm sorry. Okay, okay. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my goodness, Janela, you take long time. Give me. Okay. Okay, give me your plates. Is your plates? Ana, it's okay. 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 Jayla, kuha mo niya na mga phone. Okay, wait ha. Oh my goodness, Mama is alone. Okay. Welcome to my simple home, Alexi and Sergey. Enjoy your food, enjoy your dinner with us, together with my daughters, Janela and Faith, and me, Ella Shakira from Philippines. Okay? More? Okay. I put this one. This is our sauce. Okay? This is our fruits if you want. If not, then it's okay. Go. Okay, now we will eat. Go now. Eat, and then this. Oy! Sorry guys. Oh, hugas ikaw. Hugas sa dali ka. Dirty. Hugas sa dali. Hugas sa to. Hurry up. It's dirty. Dirty. Mama also will get rice. Eat now. This is sauce. This you can press this one. Squeeze this. That's a lemon and soya sauce. Sorry guys, we don't have lights.
No problem.
Because I'm still processing my electricity here. I just built my house 2 months ago.
You start building 2 months ago?
Yeah. April. I started to build this house April 8th. Okay na po to. We have soap here. Look. Okay, I will get for you, ha? This mine. Hi guys. Woo, I have my visitors, my friends long time ago from my former place. They're from Russia, Sergey and Alexi. We're neighbors there in the Bulod where I used to live. And Sergey is very kind man because he used to give food for my daughters when it was December 25, 2022. It was Christmas time and we didn't have food to eat, and he's the one who gave us food. So I will never forget that. Now I'm also hosting them a dinner in my simple home. Okay? Nasta Rabia! Okay, let's eat now!